Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about body covering of different animals, right? See, in previous class what we learned? We learned about organs for breathing. We learned about lungs, gills, moist skin, spiracles, right? See, lungs, humans and animals breathe through their nose, and that air is sent to the lungs in order to exchange of gases. Okay, gills is the organ for fish and prawns to breathe, and moist skin is an organ for earthworm and frogs to breathe. Frogs breathe through their moist skin as well as through their lungs. When frogs are there on the land, they'll breathe through their lungs. When frogs are there underground, they'll breathe through their moist skin. Okay. Spiracles, insects such as cockroaches and grasshoppers that are having small holes, they'll breathe through their spiracles. Okay, we learned this much in our previous video. Now we are going to learn about body covering of different animals. Different animals have different body coverings that help them to keep warm and keep them cool from difficult or harsh conditions. Okay, different animals have different body covering. See, one more thing I want to tell you. Frogs are known as amphibians. Why frogs are known as amphibians? They'll breathe through their lungs as well as they'll breathe through their moist skin. When they're present on the land, they'll breathe through their lungs. When they're present underground, they'll breathe through their moist skin. So frogs are known as amphibians. Okay, different animals have different body coverings. Different body coverings that help them to keep themselves warm or cool from harsh condition, from difficult condition. Keep themselves warm or cool. Okay. As well as to protect them from the difficult conditions and to protect themselves from harsh conditions. Different animals have different body coverings. The body covering of animals keep them cool or warm and protect them from the harsh conditions of the environment. Let us learn about the body coverings of different animals. We are having different body coverings for different animals. We are having thick fur. Feathers, shells, scales as well. Shells, next we will write shells. Okay. Thick fur. Animals such as yak, mountain goats and polar bears that live in cold places have thick furs, thick hairs on them in order to protect themselves from difficult conditions, in order to on their bodies that keep them warm. Animals such as mountain goat, the animals which live in cold places. The animals which lives in cold places. Animals live in cold places. They are having examples. They are having thick fur. Thick fur means they are having thick hairs on their bodies to protect themselves from cold conditions. Okay. Mountain goat, yak, polar bear. These animals lives in cold places, so they are having which body covering? Thick fur, thick hairs on their bodies. Okay. Next we will see for feathers. Birds have feathers on their bodies. Birds have feathers on their bodies. It protects them from cold and help them to fly, to protect them from cold and help them to fly. Birds have birds have feathers on their bodies. It protects them from cold and help them to fly. Next, we are having scales. Bodies of fishes and snails are covered with scales for protection. Bodies of fishes and snakes are covered with scales. See, I'll show you here. This is a fish, right? So they are having like this structure. Okay, so these are called scales. These are called scales. Bodies of fishes and snakes are covered with scales. For protection. Next one, we are having shells. Animals such as tortoise, turtles have a hard outer covering. Animals such as tortoise, and turtles have hard outer covering. Have hard outer covering called shells that protect their inner parts. They are having hard outer covering. What do you call this one? Shells. They protect this outer covering. Shells protect from inner parts. Protect their inner parts. Shells protect their tortoise and turtles. Inner parts are protected by these shells. Shells protects inner parts. Of which animals? Tortoise and turtles protect inner parts. Animals such as snails and oysters hide themselves inside the shells. Snails and oysters hide themselves inside the shells when they feel danger. When they feel okay, let's recall it what we learned just now. Different animals have different body coverings in order to keep them warm, in order to protect them from cool environment and cool conditions, right? From difficult conditions. They are having different body coverings: thick fur, feathers, scales, and shells. Animals which lives in cold places, they are having thick furs, thick hairs on their body. They are examples such as mountain goats, yaks, polar bears. These animals lives in cold places, so they are having thick body covering, thick hairs on their body in order to protect themselves from cold condition. Next one, we are having feathers. Birds have feathers on their bodies. It protects them from cold and helps them to fly. Scales, animals, fishes and snakes, they are having their bodies are covered with scales. I know, I told you this one. This we call it as scales. Their bodies are covered with scales to protect themselves. Okay, for protection. Shells. Animals such as tortoises and turtles have hard outer covering. They are having hard outer covering. We call them, that is, shells. Okay, these shells are protect inner part. Because of these shells, they can protect their inner parts. Who can protect their inner part? Tortoise and turtles, they can protect their inner parts from this shell. Snails and oysters hide inside the shells when they feel danger. I hope you all understood this one. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.